सो व्हाट्सअप एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज है दशहरा 2 अक्टूबर 2025। आज मैं बात करूंगी एक स्टोरी के बारे में, रियल स्टोरी, और बिल्कुल न्यू है, आज की स्टोरी है। सो इट्स अबाउट मी गोइंग ऑन स्टेज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। Like everyone know, my subscribers know, my friends know, I can talk a lot in front of videos, in front of mobile cameras and all. And like अकेले में भी, और अगर बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होती है तो उसमें मैं आराम से बात कर लेती हूँ। इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील फॉर मी, बट गोइंग ऑन स्टेज, इट्स लाइक अ डिफरेंट, कंप्लीट डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी। लाइक मैं काफ़ी बार स्टेज पे गई हूँ, पर not for so much long time, like to say some small things, small lines and all. But first time in my college, in my fourth year, I get a chance finally, which I'm avoiding from last 3 years, to get on stage and to be a anchor host or something like that. So yesterday, I am a club member of one club, and we are having an event today. So suddenly, जब event की बात हुई तो हम anchor ढूंढ रहे थे. So of course, anchor for event, and the club had approached me and tell me if you can do the anchoring. And I was like, no, I have exam tomorrow on 3 October, 3 October, I have an exam. I'm not going to do this. And I also, this is not my thing. And yeah, but like just the second time he asked me and I said yes. I don't know why. Like I'm thinking in my mind inside, why not? Let's try this. And मैंने हाँ तो भर दिया था. And then I came back to my hostel and I am constantly thinking कि मैंने क्यों हाँ भरा. कोई भी कर सकता था, कोई थर्ड ईयर से, सेकेंड ईयर से, या फर्स्ट ईयर से, या फिर मेरे अलावा भी बहुत सारे लोग लोग थे, और बट मैंने हाँ भर दी. And I'm just regretting my decision for whole yesterday evening. Like why I choose this, I should not choose this, this is not my thing, and why. But some flame inside me saying, why not, let's try this. And लिटरली मैं बताऊँ, ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्कैरी था मेरे लिए फर्स्ट टाइम. लोग बोल सकते हैं इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, बहुत आसान है, बट इफ यू नो, like a girl who is so much comfortable in front of a camera, in front of 1,000 peoples, but she was scared when it comes to stage and mic on one hand and some list or something, a script on another hand. Maybe it was much more formal than I usually talk, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नॉर्मल बातें करती हूँ, और जब स्टेज पे आप होते हो ऑफिशियल इवेंट में, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फॉर्मली रहना होता है, अ फॉर्मल वियर, अ फॉर्मल वे ऑफ टॉकिंग. सो या, एंड द नाइट I slept with what will happen. I can speak very well. I can learn the script. I can just read it very well. But when it comes to crowd, I was like, what gonna happen tomorrow? Like, and then I also did not prepare anything, like nothing yesterday. In morning, I wake up and I'm thinking also same thing. What gonna happen? What gonna happen? And I want to give my work still to someone else who can do this. But I don't know why, like way inside, I want to say like, I want to do this. I have hundred of chances to not do this and to give this to someone else. But like, let's do this. And then finally, when it comes to stage, I was on stage, still not prepared, with my script on hand, and one of my co-host, and we started. And yeah, it was a little bit fumble, but of course I can talk so well in front of video, so it's not that hard for me. But just by thinking that I have to do this, I have to do this, it was scary. And then I realized what the confidence actually means. You can say to yourself 100,000 times, yes, I can do this, I can do this. This does not need confidence. But when it comes to the real thing, when you actually do something, you can think it's like 100%, but even if you do 60, 70% or 50%, even when you tried, at least you tried, and that matters. And I will remember this forever. And after that, like 2 hour event, I'm feeling so confident that like कल मुझे फिर से बुला लो, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this with way much more confidence, and I'm not going to avoid it even in my mind. And that matters. So guys, if you are scared to do something, just do it. There is no other way. Like if you are scared to do this but you have to do this, then just do it, because you're gonna throw up maybe most worst case you're gonna throw up, but you're not going to fail because you tried. And maybe it can go well if you tried, it can go a little bit unwell, but if you did not try it, you will going to try it someday else or no never. So it's better to go on and just do it. So I am very happy about what happened and I'm feeling so good. And I got very good pictures also in front of the podium, holding a mic, saying something to the crowd. And that was a little moment, at least for me, not for everyone. Maybe there are people who do this every day, but in my case and lots of people's case, this day never came. It's not like this day never came in your, it's not like an opportunity. Sometimes, like with me, I got this chance multiple times and I just avoid it multiple times with such FOMO reasons, like this is not my thing, I'm not informal and I don't like to be so much formal in front of crowd and whatever. Is this really the reason, or am I just scared? Am I less confident? I don't know. Whatever it be, it's done. And next gonna be you, क्योंकि अब आपकी बारी है. So that's it for today, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. It's nothing like editing, it's a completely raw video, so go for it. Maybe I can trim some parts but nothing else. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye.